Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all the respected speakers, teachers, and founder members of Botany for You, research scholars, and their students associated with this Botany for You, an online platform for the student of life science. Myself, Mr. Shubham Ashokarao Rathod, I am pioneer member of Botany for You online platform and also working as an assistant professor in Department of Botany in Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. We are conducting this induction program for the student of life sciences to guide them, to motivate them and to aware them about the scopes and choices in the life science. We are sincerely trying to give a proper direction to all the students of life science. I am very sure about this induction program will prove very helpful and informative for the deciding their own career targets in the life sciences. Today is the second day of this induction program. The theme for the today's session of this induction program is basics and scopes in the life sciences. The first lecture of today's session will be delivered by Dr. Kapil D. Kamde sir. Sir is currently working as an associate professor at Department of Microbiology in Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati. Sir has completed their UG from Yeshwant College, Nanded and post-graduation from Institute of Science from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. They have pursued their PhD award from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, and they have also qualified the CSR UGC NET examination and IIT GATE examination. They have more about 15 years of teaching experience. Sir has completed 2 minor and 1 major project which was sanctioned by UGC and Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Mumbai. They have also attended various national and international conferences. His topic for today's lecture is basics and scopes in the microbiology. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. P. Jasmine Lina ma'am. She is working as an assistant professor and head at Department of Biochemistry in Prince Sri Venkateshwara Arts and Science College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Madam has completed their bachelor's degree from Madras University and post-graduation degree from Annamalai University. The topic for their PhD thesis was biochemical analysis of Varahanandi water and its impact on fishes. Madam has presented research paper in various national and international journals and conferences. Madam also has received Young Researcher Award for their teaching, research and publications. She has guided various MSc students for their project work during the 15 years of working experience. Her topic for today's lecture is basics and scopes in the biochemistry. The third lecture of today's session will be delivered by Dr. Amit Bilani sir. He is an assistant professor at Department of Biotechnology, Genetics and Bioinformatics in N.V. Patel College of Pure and Applied Science, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Gujarat. Sir had pursued their UG degree from MSD University, Ajmer, Rajasthan and post-graduation degree from APS University, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Sir also qualified the competitive exams like CSIR, UGC NET and GATE examination. Sir also certified by Chatur Vidya Mandal for their excellent performance. His topic for today's lecture is basics and scopes in the biotechnology. The fourth lecture of today's session will be delivered by Dr. Pitambar Humne sir. He is an associate professor and head at Department of Botany in MP Dev Memorial College, Dharampet, Nagpur, Maharashtra State. He is the founder of Botany for You online platform. Sir has published the 15 research papers in various journals and also have published 2 books. His topic for today's lecture: Basics and Scopes in Plant Sciences. The last lecture of today's session will be delivered by Miss Mubin Sultana. She is currently working as an assistant professor in JBAS College for Women, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. She has 18 years of teaching experience. She has attended 14 various conferences and seminars. Madam was also recipient of minor project of worth 1,50,000 sanctioned by UGC. Today, she is going to deliver the lecture on the topic Basics and Scopes in Animal Sciences. Once again, warm welcome to in this induction program for the student of life science. Thank you. Thank you very much.